Hey guys, I'm Nic Coleman and today I'll be teaching you how to ghetto bird. In order to master this trick, you must have good control over your hard flips. You must be able to flip your board in between your legs so that you have enough air time to revert it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is have your front foot about 1.5 inches under your front bolts and your back foot in the center of your tail. In order to do this trick properly, you're going to want to have at least 75% of your weight towards your back foot and the other 25% on your front foot so you have enough force to flick it. Once you have learned how to catch your board properly, you need to be able to catch your board at a 90-degree angle with your front foot so that you can revert it back. After you have your foot placement down, a very important tip into doing this trick is the way you wind your body before you pop. Here's a tip that would make this trick a lot easier for you. Begin by practicing your hard flips by themselves, focusing on learning how to pop them higher. Time and patience is a virtue, so get out there and go skate. I hope this video helped you a lot.